So this is our Ooey-Gooey project by Joe and I. Okay. So first we figured out all the possible ways to make our Ooey-Gooey box.
Step 2, we found out that you need to write out the pros. Then we write it out all the pros and cons.
Okay. After this, we chose box design B, which was the 4x3x1, and here's our reason why. Let's read that.
So design A is just way too skinny, too long, and you probably can't write a design on it. An efficient
That's
design.
not this.
Oh, what?
Well, I'll go to the next slide.
The wrong side.
Okay, now this.
Oh yeah. Box design B has a nice customer appeal because most people will look at it as something similar to a chocolate box, which are very popular and looks appealing to the buyer. Box design C also has a very popular shape. It is shaped like a candy bar, which will also make it appealing to the eye since people like them so much. But there are also other things about the shape that doesn't make it the best that will be addressed later. The custom appeal of box A is also off because of its uncommon shape for a candy bar.
Okay. 2. Economics. Box design B doesn't have the cheapest design, but it's also not on the higher side of the prices. This gives this design flexibility to have a cheap price that would be affordable for most people. Even though box design C doesn't have the most expensive cost, while it meets in the middle, it only leaves a little room to make the cost of the product inexpensive compared to the others. Box design D has this problem as well. It might be the least expensive, but that doesn't mean it's the best.
Number 3, portability. Box design B has a very flexible portability because you can easily put it in a pouch like a purse or a bag and it's not hard to carry. You can automatically tell that box design A has the worst portability because it's almost impossible to put in an average size pocket, but also has the trouble to carry in your hand. The other box designs wouldn't have this problem as much because when it comes to how it will fit in your pocket or hand, the box design B is the best.
4. Stackability. Box design B has a very stackable design to where if a store employee was shelving the item, it wouldn't fall down easily and would take some effort to knock down. Overall, most of the box designs have a great stackability, but they would most likely be hard to stack because of their bases. First, box design A would take a lot of work to be stacked because of its base that's large in width but not in length. Box designs C and D don't have this problem as much, but still have these issues that make it hard for the product to be stacked.
Number 5, artistic ability. Box design B has a lot of room to make a design that will be appealing to the eye. Because has a wide top and a base, it gives flexibility to have a nice quality design. All the box designs have room to make a quality design, but it isn't the best option available when it comes to how the design will compare to its customer appeal. Box design A
Doesn't have room to make.
they have it to make us room to make a quality box design as the others do might take a lot of chances to get it right.
After this, we chose our design and decorated it, and this was our final product. Yeah, that's the last slide.